Hello and welcome to this do-it-yourself 1/12 scale dollhouse miniature project, making bungee cords. This video shows one way to make them. You can make variations for your displays. Materials are listed below the video in the description area. I will be making two 1.5 inch gray bungee cords, about 1/16 inch in diameter. The elastic cord can be purchased online or from sewing supplies departments, office supplies, from the name tag badge cords, or other recycled sources like ribbons and wraps. My gray cord is from a name badge. Apply glue to the ends of the cord to prevent fraying. With wire cutters, cut approximately 4 to 5 inches of the 30 gauge floral wire for the coiled spring. Depending on your elastic cord, you could use the coil from unused fishhook earrings. Wrap the wire around an item similar but slightly larger in size to the elastic cord. I'm using a toothpick. Coil tightly around 4 or 5 times. Slide together, cut the ends. Using a metal curved tool, press the ends inward toward the toothpick. Make 2 coil springs for each cord. Another hook option is to leave extra wire at one end of the coil spring shape and form it into the hook. I am making the hook and the coil separately. Gently slide coils off the toothpick. Apply more glue around the ends of the cord. Slide coil spring over the glue so it is even with the elastic cord. Finish gluing the rest of the coils to the cords and let dry. To make the hook, you could bend a piece of larger gauge floral wire into a J shape, or use jewelry finding bits, such as an oval chain link from a necklace or extender. I am using an oval chain link about 3/16 inches long. Cut the oval link by removing a piece to create the J shape. You will need 2 links for each cord. Apply glue to the cord ends. Place a hook end into the center of the elastic cord top. Hold until it sets. For strength, add a drop of super glue at the ends. I did test super glue directly on the elastic before trying this. It seems to work. Add the hooks to the other cord. For very thin elastic cord, I apply 2 coats of glue at the ends. Instead of actual coils, I let it dry. Then I glued with super glue smaller oval chain links. I painted silver or black. When dry, use black acrylic paint to the coil springs and hooks. Apply a second coat of paint if needed. Then add a matte sealer. Enamel paint would also provide a durable finish. Or you could leave the coils and hooks silver, or paint another color. There are many color design ideas for bungee cords. I used a sample cord to test out patterns, media types like paint, permanent markers, and highlighters to make stripes, dots, angles, or solid designs. There are many ways to use bungee cords in miniature scenes. I hope you like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.